Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom, with how to get paid into PayPal without a website. Tyler Pratt is amazing for inspiring me to help others and pass on the information. He has given me this information on a video and I'm just duplicating it. So that's how to become a leader, just for your information. Without further ado, I'm going to carry on with the information I wanted to show you. Okay, JVZoo, as you know, is one of the big affiliate marketing websites on the planet. So you just become a member. You can get paid in PayPal, JVZoo Pay and Zift if you're in the USA and Canada. So this is all the products. Okay, so all the products are here, but if you go to launch date, this is the ninja trick. Launch date. Here we go. It's April 2019. Look at all these. April 20. No, it's so today's the 8th. So if you wanted to, on the 13th, this is a really good one. I would probably choose, say, video marketing. Get something that you're interested in. So 8th, 9th, 10th. So you've got 5 days. That's probably too soon. But before the launch date, you could get some information, get your keywords sorted, put some blogs out, put some teaser posts out on Facebook, just giving information on the new product, what's coming out. You could do video lives on Facebook. This is all without a website. So you can put blogs on websites and you can do a review of the product before it comes out. And another trick is if you add bonuses for buying from you, that will cinch the deal. But the best bit about all this, so for instance, let's just take the 13th of April. So you've done all your products information that you want to give people, what it is, what it does, why you need it, what need does it fill for them. Okay, so then on the 13th, as it's actually launching, if it's say 10 o'clock in the morning, you would do a live YouTube video at 10 o'clock on that day. Then, so for instance, there's very little sales, and then all of a sudden, boom, everybody wants to know the information at the same time. All the big leaders are emailing their list. Where do they come for information? They come to YouTube. What a brilliant idea. Tyler Pratt is amazing. I'm actually going to try this. I only learned about it this weekend. So I'm actually passing on the information. Then I'm actually going to you have to learn something, do it, then teach it. But I'm teaching it, then doing it. But anyway, Warrior Plus as well is a brilliant one. Again, launch calendar, April 19, 2019. They do some of the same products. But for instance, if you wanted to do an email marketing one, email marketing subject like that don't suck, so they actually get opened now. That's a really good product as well. It depends what your market is. Just choose a product that you can actually believe in and get behind. Now, not a lot of people know this. This is another brilliant secret, but I actually knew it. Tyler Pratt mentioned it in his video as well. Any launch all launches, Warrior Plus, JVZoo. For instance, Animator, that sounds like a good one. On the 23rd of April, Animator, that's obviously animated videos. So what you can do is you can click on this and you can actually ask permission, get permission, JB page. Let's go here. Let's just have a look. Coming soon. Here we go. Get noticed. So it's not out yet. So I'm going to put this one here and sign up because I might want to do that. So you have to ask permission first. Then you can get your information. They send you lots of bump to actually understand. They send you lots of videos you can use. They can actually send you some 5 or 6 email swipes that you can use for your list for when the launch before the launch comes out. So then if you've got your 6 emails and then you sell it on the 6th day and you've got your video, oh, you can't lose, guys. This is really exciting stuff. I just had to do this and share it because Tyler Pratt just inspired me to make this video. Thank you, Tyler Pratt. Hit the notification button, hit subscribe, and if you like this video, write the word PayPal underneath, and then I've got some engagement posts that I've actually compiled, 100 engagement posts. So I will be giving that to a random person who actually write a word. PayPal, how to get more likes and shares. Just get them to comment and you go to the top of Google. Okay, guys, see you on the next video. Bye.